Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to dive into some fantastic wooden projects that not only enhance your home decor, but can also spark your entrepreneurial spirit. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Stay tuned until the end, as we'll share some bonus tips to help you get started on your own woodworking journey. Let's get started. Target market identification. Identifying your target market is crucial for effective marketing. Understanding demographics, preferences, and buying habits can help tailor your products. For wooden home decor, potential customers might include homeowners, interior designers, and gift buyers. Conducting surveys or utilizing social media analytics can provide insights into your audience's needs. Branding and positioning. Creating a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a competitive market. Emphasize unique selling points, such as handcrafted quality, sustainability, or customization options. Develop a logo and cohesive visual elements that resonate with your target audience. Positioning your brand as eco-friendly can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Online presence and e-commerce. In today's digital age, a robust online presence is vital. Building a user-friendly website with e-commerce capabilities allows customers to browse and purchase your products easily. Utilize SEO strategies to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are excellent for showcasing your products visually and engaging with potential customers. Content marketing. Content marketing can help establish your authority in the woodworking niche. Create informative blog posts, tutorials, or videos related to woodworking projects, maintenance tips, or home decor ideas. Sharing valuable content not only attracts potential customers, but also fosters community engagement and builds trust in your brand. Social media marketing. Utilizing social media platforms effectively can drive awareness and sales. Regularly post high-quality images of your products, behind-the-scenes content, and customer testimonials. Engage with your audience through polls, questions and answer sessions, and live demonstrations. Collaborating with influencers in the home decor or DIY space can amplify your reach. Craft fairs and local markets. Participating in craft fairs and local markets provides an opportunity to showcase your products directly to consumers. These events allow for personal interaction and immediate feedback on your creations. Building relationships with other vendors can lead to collaborative opportunities and shared marketing efforts. Wholesale opportunities. Exploring wholesale opportunities can significantly increase sales volume. Approach local boutiques, home decor stores, or gift shops to carry your products. Offering attractive pricing and terms can entice retailers to stock your items. Ensure that your branding aligns with the stores you partner with to maintain a cohesive image. Customization and personalization. Offering customization options can differentiate your products in the market. Allowing customers to personalize items, such as engraving names or dates, can increase perceived value and customer satisfaction. Promoting these options through targeted marketing can attract gift buyers looking for unique presents. Sustainability practices. Incorporating sustainable practices can enhance your brand's appeal. Use reclaimed wood, eco-friendly finishes, and sustainable sourcing methods to minimize environmental impact. Highlighting these practices in your marketing materials can resonate with environmentally conscious consumers and strengthen brand loyalty. Cost management. Effective cost management is essential for profitability. Monitor material costs, overhead expenses, and labor to ensure margins are maintained. Consider bulk purchasing for materials to reduce costs. Regularly review pricing strategies to ensure competitive yet profitable pricing. Inventory management. Managing inventory effectively prevents overproduction and stockouts. Implement a system to track inventory levels and sales trends. Consider using software solutions that help forecast demand based on seasonal trends and sales data. This approach minimizes waste and optimizes cash flow. Customer feedback and adaptation. Regularly seeking customer feedback can provide valuable insights into product performance and market trends. Implementing surveys or encouraging reviews allows you to understand customer preferences and areas for improvement. Being adaptable and responsive to feedback can enhance customer loyalty and drive repeat business. Legal and regulatory compliance. Understanding legal requirements for running a woodworking business is crucial. This includes adhering to safety standards for products, obtaining necessary permits, and ensuring compliance with environmental regulations. Staying informed about local laws can help avoid potential legal issues and enhance your business's credibility. Competitive analysis. Conducting a competitive analysis helps identify strengths and weaknesses relative to other businesses in the market. Analyze competitors' products, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer engagement methods. This insight can inform your own strategies and help differentiate your offerings. Long-term sustainability. Planning for long-term sustainability involves considering not only environmental impact but also business growth strategies. Diversifying your product range, exploring new markets, and investing in continuous learning can contribute to long-term success. Staying informed about industry trends and consumer preferences will help adapt your business to changing markets. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found it valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. It really helps us grow and continue creating great content for you. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in our next video.